Hey folks, this video will teach you how to pronounce the Brazilian Portuguese word camarão. The correct pronunciation is camarão. Once again, camarão. Here's a fun fact. In the US, prawns and shrimp are considered similar, but not the same. In Brazil, however, all species are called camarão, or camarões in plural. In Portugal, shrimp is called camarão, while prawn is called gamba. The word gamba does not exist in Brazilian Portuguese. There's a similar word, gambá, which means opposite. Cool, right? Let's say it one more time. Camarão. You've got it. If you have any other word suggestions, feel free to comment below. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.